To download the Glorious Model D mouse software, start by searching for it on Google. Look for the Legacy Software page on the official Glorious Gaming website and click on it. Verify that you are on the correct website by checking the link. Once on the page, scroll down and find the section for the Model D wired software. Click on it to initiate the download. The file will be saved as a zip folder. So open your File Explorer. Navigate to the Downloads folder and find the zip folder. Right-click on it, select Extract All, and then Extract again. This will give you access to the contents of the folder, which includes a README document and the software. Open the README document to view information about the program. Then double-click on the software to install it on your computer. The process is relatively straightforward, and following these steps should allow you to successfully download and install the Glorious Model D mouse software.